What's going on, everybody? Another quick little video here we're going to do. So a lot of people are dealing with mill scale, but not everyone has a sandblaster. So we've got these parts down here. They're actually tie-down system for a motorcycle rack. But they've got the mill scale all over them, which you can see is the gray texture here. So it's part of the forming process. It puts a mill scale layer over it. It actually helps prevent it from rusting while it's in storage and stuff, but it is horrible to sandblast over. We've done another video on mill scale and kind of talked about that, but basically it can flake off taking your coating with it. So we were watching some other videos on how people prep metal parts for paint of all kinds, and they said muriatic acid. So normally we just sandblast it, but we figured we would do a quick video. We went and bought some muriatic acid. You can get it at like Home Depot, Lowe's, I'm sure, Menards, places like that, tractor type farm stores. So the main thing you want to remember is safety. We have these chemical gloves we're going to use. And then, so what they suggested, and we're going to try, is putting the muriatic acid on the part, scrubbing it up a little bit. It's supposed to not only clean it, but it's supposed to etch it because of the acid that's in it. We did wet the floor a little bit because it is meant to etch concrete. I believe it says it right on the etches concrete, yeah. So he kind of poured it on there. We're gonna just get it on our pad and kind of scrub it on there. And you can see it's already lightening up a little bit there. And yeah, I mean, it's taking it off to a degree. It's also totally ruined my pad here. So that's not a good call. Don't use that. I just inhaled a little bit of it. So another good key. Do this in a well-ventilated area. It's not too bad up here, but right near it was pretty bad. But that's kind of neat. You can see it's actually just taking it off in the lighter areas. It's struggling a little bit more in the heavy areas. I know some of the big powder coaters, they'll actually have a bath. I don't know if it's a muriatic acid, but it is a chemical that removes mill scale. They'll dip the part in there completely and let it just remove it. And I assume with the whiteness there, that's actually it etching the metal. So it may be worth it if you've got smaller parts that have it on there and you don't have a sandblaster to get some muriatic acid. But again, safety, well-ventilated area, or wear a chemical mask. Like I said, it does etch concrete, so be careful what's under. You can see it bubbling up on our concrete. We're in a shop, I don't really care. So just a quick video on muriatic acid and what it does on the metal. I believe with a little more time it would fully clean it off, and then I believe you just wash it up with water that neutralizes the chemicals. So make sure to like the channel, and any comments or suggestions. Like I said, I've never used muriatic acid. We have a sandblaster, so we'll probably clean these up, run them through the sandblaster. To us, it's just quicker, but if you don't have that capability, it might be an option for you. So we'll catch you on the next one.